In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses are looking for tools that can make them stand out, engage better, and grow faster. Enter Telegram, a platform that is more than just a messaging app. It is a game changer for business. So in this video, we'll be sharing why Telegram is gonna be a game changer in your business, how to leverage its unique features and strategies to stay ahead of its curve, why Telegram is a business game changer. First, let's talk about what makes Telegram a standout platform for our business. Unlike other apps, Telegram allows you to reach beyond your immediate network. You can tap into a highly engaged community of users who are eager for valuable content and authentic interactions. With features like channels, bots, and groups, Telegram helps businesses to build a stronger online presence. It's a one-stop platform for broadcasting updates, engaging with audiences, and even automating tasks. Building your Telegram brand presence. Step 1 to success on Telegram is creating a professional channel. This is your hub for showing your business's best content. Post regularly, share your valuable updates, and keep your branding consistent. Engage with your audience with tools like polls, quizzes, and live Q&A sessions. These features help your community to be involved and are excited about your brand. Add Campaign Manager. And don't forget about the Telegram targeted advertising campaigns. They allow you to connect with your ideal customers and grow your reach efficiently, boosting customer engagement. You want to connect with your customers on a deeper level. Telegram private chats and groups make it easy to build a responsive customer support system, answering queries, resolving issues, and providing personalized assistance all in real time. You can also drive engagement by providing exclusive promotions and deals. Send these directly through the announcements or private messages, making your audience feel valued. Leveraging Telegram for sales and marketing. Now, let's talk about the magic with our Telegram bots. From order processing to lead generation, bots can automate tedious tasks and lets you focus on strategy. Track your campaigns with Telegram analytics tools to understand what works and optimize your approach. Whether it's a promotional blast or an interactive campaign, you have the insights to grow your sales effectively. Telegram future. Looking ahead, Telegram is more than just a messaging app. Integrate it into other business tools to create a seamless workflows that will save your time and effort. Stay updated with the latest Telegram features and innovations. The platform is constantly evolving, allowing you to be competitive in your industry. A graph showing business growth using Telegram. By embracing Telegram's potential, you're not just adopting for the present, but you're also preparing for the future success. So Telegram is not just a tool, but it's a strategy. From engaging with your audience to boosting sales and building a loyal community. The possibilities are endless. Please check out this video about our Telegram features and why you need to know as a Telegram user. And check out this video if you are facing problems with your Telegram login issues. You're not getting the SMS code or something like that. This video is good for you. And yeah, that has been it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.